CEVEENSUREN. He's in the blue. CEVEENSUREN having beaten Jumashbek the last time these two met. That was in Tirana at the World Championships. And CEVEENSUREN went on to win the bronze medal for Jumashbek. He was out one match and he was done at his World Championships. But he is the two-time Asian champion at 61 kilos. That was the weight class that these two did meet at last time. They're both up at 65 now. Hostilities renewed. Back in Tirana, it was a 3-0 win for CEVEENSUREN. It played out a little bit like this so far.
The change of speed and the explosive power is what's so impressive, especially at these lower weight classes. You see just the ebbing and flowing of the hand fighting here, and then they can go in a split second to kind of like max power, max speed, and hit a devastating attack. So we do have in red Jumashbek on the activity period, as you can see in the left top corner. He's slowly biding his time, slowly stalking his opponent forward.
First point for CEVEENSUREN. Jumashbek feeling for opportunities.
CEVEENSUREN did a great job of angling out here. He finds himself on this 2-on-1. And now he's back to that overhook on the right side.
Good shot in from CEVEENSUREN here. Jumashbek hitting the reverse gear quickly enough. And that really the only shot fired and defended in the first 3 minutes. Erica, when you go up a weight class like these two have, what are the benefits of coming up to this weight class from a lower one?
Well, in this situation, I mean, they both compete at 61, which is a non-Olympic weight class, and it's year one of the quad moving into LA 2028, and so in some countries and for some individual athletes, they really think strategically about moving up into the Olympic weight class to kind of get exposure, wrestling opponents at that weight class, to get comfortable making the weight, building the power to build up into that weight class. I know for men's wrestling, the weight classes are so far apart. And so it's a really big challenge for some of these athletes to build the muscle mass to compete at these higher weight classes.
Is 6 months enough time to build that muscle mass since they last met in Tirana?
Yeah, 6 months is not enough time, so maybe no. But so far they're looking good and maybe evenly matched here, both making that jump. A great slide by to the takedown for CEVEENSUREN.
Looks for a turn here, gets it as well. CEVEENSUREN again getting up against Jumashbek.
And you got to wonder, Jumashbek was the last athlete to finish wrestling about just under 15-20 minutes ago, and so got to wonder if that last match really took him out of it. It went the full 6 minutes, and we've just seen him not come out as poppy as you might expect.
Good forward pressure from ЦЕВЭЕНСУРЕН. There's no let up out there for Жумашбек. He needs to chase this, and he's got in here. Just can't follow through.
Challenge decision on mat C.
Smart and swift escape from the Mongolian ЦЕВЭЕНСУРЕN.
Yeah, and Svensson settling in a bit here. You know, just keeping that forward pressure, staying low, trying to minimize the opportunities for Žumashbek to get into a rhythm to set up his attacks.
Tries for a counter-attack. Here, red wrestler controls his opponent 2-point red. After that, he tries for a counter-attack, but from standing directly to dangerous position, 4-point red, and for stepping outside, 1-point blue. Challenge 1.
I expect we're going to see Žumashbek try to pick it up a little bit, changing his levels, changing his speed on these attacks. But it seems like ЦЕВЭЕНСУРЕN is rejuvenated at the end of this match, leaving no scrap of opportunity here.
All paths back into this one, well closed off by ЦЕВЭЕНСУРЕN. Жумашбек in here for a turn, gets a 2. Last few seconds ticking away, and ЦЕВЭЕНСУРЕN holds on. It is only about 15 minutes since his quarterfinal for Žumashbek, just a bridge too far. And once again, ЦЕВЭЕНСУREN has the edge on this man from Kyrgyzstan. He goes through to the final. Žumashbek